Hi everybody, thank you for watching. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video. We are back with a Micas try on haul. It feels like a while since I've done one of these and I absolutely can't wait to show you guys these pieces. We've got some dresses, but we've also got accessories. We've got handbags, jewellery, things like that, just because I wanted to give you guys a little bit more of a well-rounded kind of review of Micas, and I can't wait to show you guys these pieces because they are beautiful. I do have a discount code for you guys. I'll pop that on the screen now. As always, if you do see anything you like and you want to check out shopmicas.com, use the discount code and get a little bit of money off your order. I will pop all the outfit links, my discount code, and any other links to Micas down below in the description box as well. If you want to look like a baddie in 2025 and see some gorgeous pieces from Micas, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start off with accessories because when I get into the dresses, I feel like all of the accessories work with each of the dresses individually, and I've obviously tried them on with the accessories as well. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this gorgeous faux leather white clutch bag, kind of like an oversized slouchy grab bag. I was in desperate need for a white handbag. I think it's so hard to find a good simple white handbag. They always seem to be too cream, or they've always got like something going on. I just wanted something plain that would go with my white shoes and goes with everything in my wardrobe when I need a white handbag. Obviously it is faux leather, but it still obviously mimics the feel and the look of a natural leather. It's also got a really nice kind of subtle sheen to it. I don't think you can see it too much in person, but obviously with the light reflecting on it now, you do get a little bit of like a sheen to it, which is nice because it makes it feel that little bit more like a natural leather as well. The top of the bag just rolls down and kind of fastens like this. It kind of looks like a scrolled piece of paper, and so to undo the bag you just undo these clips here. They're just like your simple kind of push buttons. There's probably a scientific term for that I don't know, but there you go. So you've got this kind of like stainless steel silver hardware here, really nice and kind of chunky buttons. It doesn't feel super flimsy, so again it helps it to feel that little bit more premium quality. Then when you unfold it, you can see actually how much you can really get in this bag. It's quite big. If I just take the stuffing out of it, it's literally got so much space inside. It's perfect for a night out when you want to take like your perfume, you've got to take your wallet, your phone, everything, keys, lipstick. You can get everything in this bag. It's not a mini bag. You're not going to have to be like holding your phone. Everything nice, secured, tucked away, and you still look 10 out of 10. So the zip pull is black and then the zip itself is white, and obviously you can see it opens up really nice and easy, and then inside you've got this really like soft kind of felty material. So then obviously to do it up, you just zip it back up, and then we're going to just roll it like this, and then you just fasten the buttons in like that. Absolutely stunning. I think they do this in a few different colours. I think they do it in black as well. I can't really remember if there was another colour. This is going to be a staple and I am going to get my wear out of this. So the next item that I got from Micas was actually these gorgeous kind of silver hoop earrings. So essentially it's just kind of like a chunky hoop. As you can see, I love earrings like this. It's not too big and not too small. It's got like enough kind of width to it. You still get a little bit of drama and you can see it. It's not super minimal, but they're not really heavy. They still feel really lightweight and they don't come down too far, so very practical for every day as well. The fact that it is a little bit chunkier though does mean that you can dress these up and they kind of add a little bit more of a statement when you're wearing like your hair back or something like that. I always feel naked when my hair's back and I've not got earrings in. If I just hold one up really close to the camera, you guys can see it's kind of lots of different strings of metal essentially all pushed together to create this really nice kind of textured finish. So rather than it just being one band of metal that's really chunky, you've got all of these fine lines and it's got little gaps through. It just makes it feel really textured. Again, very sculptural. I would wear something like this all the time. I think it can elevate like a work outfit, like a simple jeans and a t-shirt job with some nice chunky earrings, and you're already looking slightly more styled. Equally, when you've got like really simplistic kind of evening gowns, something like this is really nice. I think the scale of them too is great because again, not too big, not too small, but you still see them. They still give you a little element of drama and I absolutely love them. Moving on to dresses, I've got 3 gorgeous dresses to show you. Each one is absolutely stunning in its own right. The first one is this gorgeous black knitted texture. It is absolutely stunning. It is a midi length. It's nice and long. The fabric itself has quite a nice stretch to it, but it was still really bodycon. It hugged me in all the right places, and it just felt so snugly because it was kind of like that woolen texture. It felt really warm on and really comfy to wear. The material is actually quite sheer, so you guys can see literally if I hold it in front of my face. Depending on how brave you are and how you want to style it, like you can wear this dress in so many different ways. I just ended up putting like a little bodycon black tube dress underneath so that it kind of just looked like it was part of the dress. You could wear a bodysuit under it, you could just go for black underwear if you wanted a little bit more sheerness poking through. It's sexy, but in a way that's not like obviously sexy because you're still fully covered. The sheer elements just give you that little bit of sex appeal without being too much. So it's actually off the shoulder, so you guys can see it sits kind of like here. Got this big oversized collar that folds over and hits to about here on your arm. So then you've got these gorgeous long sleeves that again are the same material. They've got a little bit of a flare at the bottom, gives you a bit of like a bell bottom sleeve, which I think is so stunning. So as you follow the dress down to the bottom, again like I said, it's more of a midi to a maxi length dress depending obviously on how tall you are and how you style it. But I'd say it finished more towards my ankle. Fit really bodycon all the way down my body and then flared out slightly at the bottom as well. Because the material is so stretchy, it didn't have a kick split in it, but I was still able to walk super easy and I felt really comfortable in this dress. I think this is just a perfect option for like your wintry months because you still want to feel cozy. It's dark outside, it's cold outside, but you want to dress up because you're going out. Something like this is perfect. It still feels really soft and cozy on your skin, but you still look elevated. It's just going to be such a stable and easy throw on dress that you know is going to look good and make your body look banging. So absolutely can't wait to wear this. So moving on to dress number 2, it's this gorgeous kind of satiny, kind of crepey material. I don't actually know what the technical term is for this, but it's this gorgeous black mini dress with this little frill detail at the bottom in white. You've got a really nice small soft scooped neckline at the top, and then you've got these chunky shoulder straps, but it is obviously sleeveless. The shoulder holes themselves are actually quite deep, so you do get quite a low cut around your shoulder. As we turn it round, you've got this invisible zip detail at the back. This follows all the way down to kind of your hip bones, so all the way down the dress basically, so super easy to get on, and obviously a really minimal detail as well. So you've kind of got the top part by itself, you've got a couple of darts in around your chest and under your shoulders just to kind of cinch your waist in a little bit more. Then obviously it kind of splits off in 2 portions, and you've got more of like a A-line skirt at the bottom. It's not really got a pleated detail to the black bit, but as you work your way down to the white portion of the skirt, that's obviously pleated. And the white skirt is like a full skirt underneath as well. So you've got a double layer at the bottom, which again adds like this movement, gives you a little bit more volume. The lightness of the material as well is one of those pieces that is going to be great throughout the next few months. In the winter months, it's great to layer up, like you could even wear a jumper under this, wear it with tights, and obviously it's still warm enough. And then as we move into like your spring and summer months as well, it's super versatile and you could change the way you style it. Like how cute would that be in the summer with a pair of white tennis trainers and you make it slightly more of a casual fit? I think that would look stunning too. The simplicity of the dress itself, I know it's got the ruffle at the bottom, but the main portion of the dress is quite simple. So essentially it's a little black dress and it's going to be super versatile, and you can add to it, accessorize it, or wear it simply by itself and you're going to look stunning. So again, an absolute staple from Micas. Moving on to our last but definitely not least dress of the haul. This off-white kind of creamy draped maxi dress. It's kind of asymmetric on the top, so you've got one shoulder that sits like this, and then this fabric just kind of drapes down, and then you've got these 2 long pulls, which is what you use to tie the other shoulder. I tied it kind of off the shoulder and gave myself like a bow detail running down my arm. I love the length of these pieces because they're super long and exaggerated, and they also kind of widen as you reach the bottom as well, so again it gives you a little bit more drama, and I just think it's so stunning. This really soft kind of jersey material, it's got a really nice sheen to it. I don't know if you guys can really see it on camera. It is only single line, so I think you'd have to be mindful obviously of what you wear underneath, but I think that's why it fits your body so well, because of the nature of the material. As you work your way down the dress, just super simple, bodycon all the way down, and then it starts to flare out a little bit at the bottom, and so the skirt gets a little bit wider, accentuating your curves really nicely and giving the illusion of an hourglass figure. This dress is so simple in theory, you know, it's a solid colour, it's not got a lot of of details going on. The main feature is obviously this draped neckline and the tie of the shoulder, but I think it is just so stunning. I think it's one of those pieces that is very kind of eye-catching and you're gonna look like the belle of the ball. I would probably style this with kind of like white cream accessories, just super minimal and kind of like let the dress do the talking. Equally, I think black accessories would look lovely, or gold and metallics if you wanted to dress it up and make it feel that little bit more kind of glamorous. I absolutely loved the neckline. It felt really beautiful and really flattering on me. I think you could wear your hair up, hair down, and it would still look perfect. It feels super angelic, almost kind of like Greek goddess-esque, and I think it's a beautiful piece to add to your wardrobe. So that is all the pieces from Micas tried on and shown to you guys. I am in love with every single one of these pieces. I think they are all stunning. I think what Micas does so well is that obviously it's an affordable brand, but the designs, the cuts, the styles, they all give that old money kind of super premium feel. I've constantly been impressed with their designs, with their products. There's so much on their website that I think is stunning and I want to try. So let me know down below if you want to see anything else, do some more try on videos. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed seeing what we've got. Let me know what your favourite look is down below in the comments. I've got lots of different try on videos and bits and bobs coming up this year. I'm going to try and film as much as I can for you guys and make sure you are looking your best. Just as a reminder, I'll pop my discount code back on the screen now. If you do see anything you like in today's video, don't forget to check out shopmicas.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what we've got from Micas, and I will see you all very shortly in my next video.